experiment is going to show you what gas is used up when iron rusts. What we've got set up here is a conical flask. We've got some water in there. The water's to that level there. We've got a boiling tube, an inverted boiling tube, and we've got some wet cotton wool at the top, and we've got some iron filings here. Right, there's no water in this boiling tube. I've just inverted it and put it into this water here. So we've got wet cotton wool, iron filings, water. Now if you come back to this after a week, you can now see that this level of water here has gone down. The level of water in the tube, which is difficult to see I know, but in the boiling tube, can you see that it's risen up the boiling tube? And as well as that, we've got rusted iron filings on the top. Now this level of water in the boiling tube has risen about 1/5 up the tube. So think about what gas is about 1/5 of the air around you.